My people, help me. There is a big problem in my house. If you are watching this video, I need you to advise me. My name is Wilson and I am a retiree. Since I retired, I have been trading cryptocurrency full time. But me, I am an arbitrage trader. Yes, I don't like to take plenty risk, even though arbitrage opportunities don't come every time. But the little ones I see, I take them. I take advantage of price differences across exchanges to make a profit. Sometimes I even do triangular arbitrage, trading a coin with another coin and swapping it to another coin to make a profit. But you see, my two sons, they want to tear my house down with argument. There is an endless battle of supremacy between my two sons. One trades spot, the other one trades futures. The one trading futures will say futures trading is superior to spot. The other one will argue. Now, one says that futures is where you know who a real trader is. The other one says no, that it is spot that is superior technically to futures. Watch their argument, listen to both of them, and leave in the comment section which one do you think their argument is superior to the other. Just write futures if you support the futures guy, or write spot if you support the spot guy, so that we can settle this matter and I can have some peace in my home, so that I can enjoy my old age. These boys want to finish me. Watch and comment.
Wait. So if they are calling traders now, say, oh yeah, traders, come outside. A spot trader like you two will come out. Spot trading that any idiot can trade. Buy low, sell high. How is that different from what that tomato seller at Santana Market? How is it different from what she's doing? Do you need any skill to buy low or sell high? Just have common sense, that's all. Then you'll now be claiming that you are a trader. You are not trading nothing. You are not trading nothing. In the assembly of traders, we don't want to see spot traders there. What are you telling me?
70 years old man.
Victor Isibor, don't tell me that. What do you mean? That buy low, sell high is the essential essence of trading. What I buy low and sell high appears in my wallet, meaning I'm doing actual buying and selling. Future traders, you people are just gamblers. You are trading what you cannot see in your wallet. That is why some religions like Islam, they don't trade futures. They see it as haram because it is seen as pure gambling. What are you doing? You are speculating on the future price of commodities and betting in the market. Any responsible person will not be trading futures. Don't tell me that. What are you telling me?
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
My guy, calm down and don't bring religion into this thing. Let me tell you, my brother, the truth is bitter, but you must know, sport is not trading. You are just an investor. There's no technicality in sport. See, our daddy, as old as he is, in his Binance wallet, he had some Pepe tokens there that he bought last year very cheap. He sold them last week when Pepe pumped. Does that make him a trader? Does that make him a skilled trader? Do you need any skill to buy something last year? You watch it, it has grown, and you sell it this year? Sport is ordinary common sense. No skill whatsoever is required. Nothing special. It is in futures trading that men are separated from boys like you.
You are a bad boy.
You are just speaking out of sheer ignorance. He said no skill is required in spot trading. Don't say this in public so that you will not embarrass yourself. Oh. Are you serious? When I set up my trading view, I use my stochastic RSI, I set up my trend line, I monitor my support and resistance using the 1 hour chart to see if the coin has entered the overbought region, setting up my take profit and stop loss using my moving averages. Are you okay? And you say there is no technicality in spot trading? You are just an embarrassment.
According to Burna Boy, you go dey explain tire. You go explain because no evidence.
You go to explain tire. You go explain because no evidence.
Let me ask you a very, very simple question. After all these your jargons and rubbish that you just vomited now, stochastic moving averages, Oga, if market is bearish and the entire market is in a dip, what can all this analysis do for you?
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Stop looking at me and blinking your eyes, or did a cat eat your tongue? Answer me. Spot is a buy low, sell high market. If you buy low and market goes lower than your initial buy price, what can stochastic do for you? What can moving average do for you? Will the stochastic go and push up the value of the token that you are trading? What are you telling me? Is it your moving averages that will move the market up? No matter your skill level in sport, you are at the mercy of the market, Oga. You are helpless. If the market is moving down continuously, there is absolutely nothing you can do other than to helplessly wait and hope and pray and fast that the market goes up. Spot trading is a seasonal business. It is best for the bull market.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
It is only futures that is built for all seasons, because in futures, whether the market is going up, that is long, you can long a trade and make money. Whether the market is going down, that is short, you can short a trade and you will make money. So in bull or bear market or even sideways market, in futures you are making money. Bull run or no bull run, it doesn't concern a futures trader like me. It is you guys in sports that you are always praying that bull run should come, because you know that during bear season, you all will hide your face because you are irrelevant.
You need to shut up your mouth because you are nothing but a gambler. Nonsense. In a falling market, I will use DCA. My martingale strategy will come into play.
You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good. You are doing lunatic encyclopedian calculation of Jajatica.
Oga, look at me. You cannot confuse me with that your DCA and martingale. What it means, the DCA and the martingale you are doing, what they do is you will buy at the new lower price. You have bought something at $5. The price has gone down to $3. You want to buy at $3 so that if the market goes up to $4, you will sell. What if the market goes down to $2? You will buy more again. You will buy more at $1 until the price will get to zero. You will buy at $0. Is it everybody that has money to be doing martingale? Martingale will even blow your account. You will not have anything to spend again. You will still last have to wait till the market will go up. Martingale and DCA will not push up the market, sir. It will only help you to be spending more of your money on a coin that is perpetually going down in a bear market. Don't tell me that. I'm not a novice. I'm a superior trader to you because I trade futures.
He shock you.
My friend, spot trading is like an involuntary action. Everybody in the crypto space, you are automatically a spot trader. The Floki tokens in my Binance is growing by itself without me trading it because the market is bullish. So what is your work as a spot trader? Something that I buy a token and by itself it is growing by itself without me even having to trade or do any analysis. Even you, the trader, you can't grow your tokens without market going up. You are useless, Oga. Stop talking. Spot trading, any Tom, Dick and Harry can trade sports. My late grandmother, she could have traded sports had it been she was alive. I'll just tell her to buy a token. When the token is going up, the token will go up by itself. Involuntary action. Spot trading is like breathing. You don't plan it. You don't learn it. It's there.
In futures trading, you dey use your future to play because futures can liquidate you and blow your entire account. No liquidation in sports.
You dey use your future to play. You dey use your generation to play.
Yes, in futures trading, if you are a novice, if you don't have the right settings or strategy, there is risk of liquidation. But me, I'm a pro trader. I know what to do and I will not be liquidated. But you people in sport, there's a reason why they call it sport. Because you keep people in one spot, no progress. They remain in floating losses for several months and even years, hopelessly waiting and praying and fasting for market to move up. No plan B. Market must be the one to bail you out. That is why I hate sport. You are helpless. But in futures, you either long or short a trade. If you get stranded on a trade, you can even open hedging. You start trading both directions. Go and sit down. In futures, it is versatile. It is dynamic. That is where your skill as a trader is going to be tested.
The second name for futures is high blood pressure, where you can wake up one morning and all your money is liquidated. At least in spot, you have your coins in your wallet, and with patience, even if the coin fall, with patience the coin will rise again.
Close your mouth and stop displaying your ignorance. Bro, if you are trading cross and you are not using a stop loss, is when you can get liquidated. Trading a coin in isolated mode can't blow your entire account, or even trading cross safe with effective stop loss, you can't be liquidated. Obviously, you don't know these things because you trade in a market where there's no plan B. Only one-way traffic like zombie. Market must pump, otherwise you are stuck in one spot. Spot is like trading futures on long only. What spot can do, futures can also do it. But what futures can do, spot can't. Spot can't short a trade. In futures, if market is bullish, I long and cash out. If it's going down, I short and make money. If market moves against me, I open a hedge mode, lower my leverage, and tighten up my stop loss, and I'm still making money. Unlike you, I will not just stay there helplessly praying and hoping for market to go up. Helpless. The people that I bring into the business will be asking me, what's the way forward? I'll tell them, let us wait for market. What are we waiting for? So what is the benefit of all those analyses and all those jargons that you have been saying? Analysis and jargons that cannot bail you out of any situation because it is only one-way traffic. Market must go up, otherwise you will just be there waiting and praying and hoping. See, you people that are trading sports, during the bull season, you are crypto traders. As soon as bear season comes, you people become taxi drivers, carpenters. You go and start teaching in one school because you are not making money again. I am making money in bull, bear, or sideways. Any market, I remain consistent. Spot market, when there's bear season, you start having high blood pressure.
Jesus! Jesus!
Enough of this madness. Enough. The crypto market is available for everybody. Is there a law that says that if you are trading spot, you should not trade futures? If you are trading futures, you should not trade spot or arbitrage. You are at liberty to trade in any market of your choice. And I have an automated robot that will effectively trade for you both in both markets and keep you safe, and you are making money. Do not restrict yourself to only one market and start arguing and competing. We are all crypto traders. We should explore every opportunity in the crypto space to make money. There is a bot that trades both markets effectively. Look in the description of this video and join the group and await updates. And viewers at home, what do you think about this argument? Let us see in the comment section. Nonsense. Bye-bye.